Today we will learn about condition for solvability of linear equation, which means when our linear equation will be soluble and what will be its solution. So there will be three cases. First case is if the linear equations have unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. Then condition for unique solution, linear equation have unique solution. The condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. For example, if we have equations like 3x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here this is a1, this is b1, this is c1, a2, b2, c2. So we will check a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. So here a1 by a2 is 3 by 2 and b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3, which is obviously not equal. So this equation have unique solution. And how do we find this unique solution? We find unique solution by very simple formula that we have learned previously. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and y value by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So we will use this formula to find the unique solution, or we can use either that we have learned previously two methods, substitution method and elimination method. You can also use that. Now second condition is if linear equations have unique solution वाला condition हो गया. Next condition is infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. So when our equations will have infinitely many solution, simply the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Example, if we have linear equation 3x plus 4y plus 9 is equal to 0, and another equation we have 6x plus 8y plus 18 is equal to 0. So what we will do, we will find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Next step, here a1 by a2 3 by 6, b1 by b2 4 by 8 and c1 by c2 9 by 18. So we will get here 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So all are equal. This means that these two equations have infinitely many solution. What does mean by infinitely many solution? Infinitely many solution means that if we put any value of x and y, we will get the satisfied equation. So for example, take another example. Our third case is if linear equations have no solution. So for linear equation have no solution, the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. For example, if we have equations like 3x plus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0, and another equation is 6x plus 10y minus 9 is equal to 0. So these are two equations. What we will do, we will find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So here a1 by a2 3 by 6, b1 by b2 5 by 10 and c1 by c2 8 by minus 9. Clearly we will get 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 8 by 9. So these two are equal, but this is not equal. So we can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So these two linear equations have no solution. I hope you have understand it.